Lesson number 103 is about perimeter of complex shapes. Now our first question says find the perimeter of the shape. And you can see we've got, well, there's two rectangles essentially that are joined together. And what we have in this, well, we've got 8 inches as our left-hand vertical side, 4 inches across, and then n inches, so we don't know what our n value is. We don't know what this value is. And going across, we don't know what our m value is either. Then we have 2 inches and 10 inches. We know perimeter is a distance around the outside of a polygon. So we need to add up everything. Let's go ahead and add what we know. We know 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So that's going to take care of these two pieces. We have 10 plus 2, that's also equal to 12. Whoops. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. There we go. So 12 plus 12, if we add those together, we get 24 for what we know. But we don't know our n value, and we don't know our m value. So we have to figure those out. Now in order to figure out our n value, up and down here, what we need to do is we need to look at our left-hand side. If we know that the left-hand piece is 8 inches all the way up and down, and we know that the right-hand piece here is 2 inches, then n, this vertical side length, it must be 6 inches, because 6 inches plus 2 inches is equal to 8 inches. So we're going to add 6 onto 24. Adding 6 onto 24, that gives us 30. We have one more piece to figure out. Perhaps you can figure that piece out on your own. Pause the video now and see if you can get it. Well, m, our distance going across here, we know that the total distance going across on the bottom is 10. The total distance that we have so far on the top is 4. Well, m must be equal to 6 inches as well, because 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So we're going to add 6 inches on again to 30, and we get a grand total of 36. Now since this is perimeter, a distance, we need a label, so it's got to be 36 inches. We could box our answer and move on to the next question. It's important to read these problems carefully when we have perimeter of complex shapes to see if you have any missing values. If you have any missing values, you've got to solve for them by figuring out what the missing number needs to be with the known value to add up to what you already have. This was our only example in this lesson. We had a quick lesson. Our lesson practice will be on page 558. Make sure you've got your notes complete, and I'll see you during our next class.